Deep within forgotten temples, where silence reigns and shadows linger, lies a world waiting to be rediscovered. Buried beneath layers of time, these ruins hold secrets that have withstood the relentless march of centuries. Ancient carvings, etched with care and purpose, whisper tales of bygone eras, their voices faint but persistent. They beckon us to unravel their mysteries, to piece together the fragments of stories long forgotten. Each etch, each inscription, is a puzzle piece in a grand historical narrative, a testament to human creativity and resilience. Imagine unearthing a hidden chamber, its walls adorned with intricate carvings, each line and curve telling a story of its own. What stories would they tell? Would they speak of gods and kings, of battles fought, or of the simple joys of daily life? These remnants of ancient civilizations are more than just decorations, they are windows into the souls of those who created them. They are portals to the past, offering glimpses into the beliefs, rituals, and daily lives of those who came before. Through them, we connect with the hopes, fears, and dreams of ancient peoples. The Egyptians, with their hieroglyphs, immortalized pharaohs and deities in stone, ensuring their legacies would endure for millennia. The Greeks, masters of sculpture, breathed life into marble, capturing the essence of gods, heroes, and the human spirit. From the monolithic statues of Easter Island, standing as silent sentinels against the horizon, to the intricate friezes of Angkor Wat, depicting celestial dancers and epic tales, ancient carvings captivate our imaginations, drawing us into their world of wonder and mystery. They remind us that we are part of a continuum, connected to the past by these enduring threads of human expression, each carving a bridge across time. But time, relentless and unforgiving, takes its toll on even the most enduring monuments, eroding their edges and fading their stories. Yet their essence remains a testament to the resilience of human creativity. Ancient civilizations, from the Mayans to the Mesopotamians, employed a variety of techniques to create these lasting impressions. Hammering, chiseling, and grinding. Each method left its unique signature on the surface of the stone. The materials themselves, ranging from granite and basalt to softer limestone and sandstone, often held cultural significance.
Consider the pyramids of Giza. Their construction, a marvel of engineering, involved quarrying, transporting, and shaping massive blocks of stone, all without the aid of modern machinery. The placement and orientation of these carvings often held deep religious or astronomical meaning.
Temples were aligned with the stars, tombs oriented to the setting sun. Carvings, strategically placed, served as guides to the afterlife or celebrated the deeds of powerful rulers. These remnants offer us a tangible link to the beliefs and practices of ancient cultures. They reveal a world where art and spirituality were inextricably intertwined. The discovery of the Rosetta Stone in 1799 stands as a pivotal moment in our understanding of ancient carvings. This seemingly ordinary slab of rock, inscribed with the same text in 3 different scripts, hieroglyphs, Demotic script, and ancient Greek, provided the key to unlocking the mysteries of Egyptian writing.
The decipherment of hieroglyphs opened a window into a vibrant civilization spanning millennia. Suddenly, the stories etched on tomb walls and temple complexes were no longer silent.
Today, epigraphers, linguists specializing in ancient writing systems, continue to decipher and interpret these scripts. They painstakingly piece together fragmented inscriptions, comparing them to known texts, and using linguistic analysis to unlock their secrets. Through their work, we gain a deeper understanding of ancient languages, beliefs, and social structures. Centuries of exposure to the elements, wind, rain, sun, can erode even the most durable stone. Pollution, with its corrosive effects, poses a significant threat to carvings, particularly in urban environments.
Vandalism, both intentional and unintentional, can cause irreparable damage to these irreplaceable artifacts. Even well-intentioned attempts at restoration in the past, often using inappropriate materials or techniques, have sometimes done more harm than good.
The loss of even a single fragment of a carving represents an irreplaceable loss of information, a break in the chain of knowledge passed down through generations. The challenge facing conservators is not only to repair the damage, but to do so in a way that respects the integrity of the original work.
Oh, the work of a restoration expert is, well, it's truly fascinating. We're part detective, part scientist, and honestly, part artist too.
These experts approach their craft with not only a deep respect for the past, but also a sharp understanding of the materials and techniques used by the original artisans.
You know, it all starts with documentation. Every tiny crack, every little chip, and even the faintest faded pigment. It's all carefully recorded.
This meticulous process helps restoration experts develop a treatment plan that's well tailored to the specific needs of the carving.
And let me tell you, the goal isn't to erase history or make it look brand new. It's about stabilizing the piece, slowing down the process of deterioration, and ultimately preserving its story for future generations.
Section 6. A Symphony of Science and Art. Tools of the Trade. The tools of their trade are as diverse as the carvings themselves.
Oh, absolutely. We use tiny brushes and delicate scalpels to carefully remove dirt and debris. And lasers, with their incredible precision, can actually vaporize grime without causing any harm to the underlying stone.
Fascinating, isn't it? And then there's 3D scanning and printing technologies. These allow for the creation of precise replicas, which can be used to study the original carvings or even replace missing fragments.
That's right. But the choice of materials is just as important. Resins and fillers, for example, must be compatible with the original stone and, durable enough to withstand the test of time.
Section 7. Unveiling the Past. A Case Study in Restoration. Consider for a moment the painstaking restoration of the Temple of Dendur. Today it's housed within the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York City.
Oh, the Temple of Dendur. It's an ancient Egyptian temple that dates back to the reign of the Roman Emperor Augustus. It was actually gifted to the United States in the 1960s to save it from being submerged by the rising waters of the Aswan High Dam.
The temple didn't arrive intact though. It came in over 12,000 blocks of sandstone, each one meticulously documented and catalogued.
And restoration experts spent years reassembling it. They combined ancient techniques with modern technology to bring it back to life.
The end result? A remarkable testament to the power of human ingenuity, bridging the past and the present. Section 8. Treasures rediscovered. Famous carvings and their stories. Across the globe, ancient carvings stand as silent witnesses to the ingenuity, artistry, and culture of civilizations long gone. These masterpieces, etched in stone, tell stories of triumph, devotion, and mystery. From the enigmatic smile of the Sphinx to the majestic columns of the Parthenon, ancient carvings never fail to inspire awe and wonder. They are more than just stone, they are the voices of the past, echoing through time.
Oh, and don't forget the Terracotta Army of China. A breathtaking sight, this army of life-sized soldiers, horses, and chariots was buried to protect Emperor Qin Shi Huang in the afterlife. It's this vast necropolis of thousands of life-sized soldiers, each one unique, offering a glimpse into the military might of the Qin dynasty. The level of detail in their expressions and armor is simply astonishing.
And the Moai of Easter Island. These towering figures carved by the Rapa Nui people are shrouded in mystery. Those giant statues are so mysterious, just standing there gazing out over the Pacific. Were they guardians, ancestors, or something else entirely? It's like they're guarding some kind of ancient secret. Their placement and purpose continue to baffle researchers to this day.
Indeed, these carvings are more than just art. They are a bridge to the past, connecting us to the people who created them. And then there's the intricate carvings of the Taj Mahal, a monument to love and loss, showcasing the artistry of Mughal architecture. Every detail, every curve speaks of devotion and craftsmanship.
These are just a few of the countless treasures rediscovered and preserved through the dedication of archaeologists, conservators, and historians. Their work ensures that these stories are not lost to time.
Each one tells a story of a people, a culture, and a moment in time. It's like they hold little pieces of the puzzle of our collective past. Together, they form a mosaic of human history, waiting to be pieced together.
Section 9. A legacy etched in stone, preserving our collective memory. These ancient sites are more than just remnants of the past. They are windows into the lives, beliefs, and aspirations of those who came before us. As we marvel at these ancient wonders, we are reminded of the ingenuity and creativity of our ancestors. Each carving, each structure, tells a story that connects us to a shared human experience. But with this admiration comes a profound responsibility. We must act as guardians, ensuring these treasures are preserved for future generations to learn from and be inspired by.
That's true. Preserving these sites isn't just about maintaining physical structures, it's about safeguarding the stories and knowledge they hold. Climate change, with rising sea levels and extreme weather events, poses a very real threat to cultural heritage sites around the world. The erosion of these sites is not just a loss of stone and mortar, but a loss of identity and history.
And, looting and trafficking of antiquities. It's heartbreaking. These acts strip communities of their heritage and deprive the world of invaluable cultural insights. These crimes rob us of our shared history. They create voids in the narrative of humanity, leaving questions unanswered and stories incomplete.
Education and awareness are so important. By teaching people about the value of these sites, we can inspire a collective effort to protect them. They foster a sense of stewardship for these irreplaceable treasures. When people understand the significance of these artifacts, they are more likely to advocate for their preservation.
By supporting museums, archaeological research, and educational programs, and conservation efforts, we can help ensure these whispers from the past continue to resonate for generations to come. It's a collective responsibility that requires global cooperation.
Let's make sure we're worthy custodians of this legacy. It's not just about preserving objects, it's about honoring the people and cultures that created them. I mean, the stories etched in stone, they should inspire and enlighten us for a long, long time. They remind us of the resilience and creativity of the human spirit.
The journey of discovery never truly ends. Each site, each artifact is a piece of a larger puzzle that helps us understand who we are and where we come from. Each new find, each deciphered inscription deepens our understanding of the past. It's a reminder that history is not static but a living, breathing narrative, and enriches our appreciation for the enduring power of human creativity. These sites are not just relics, they are bridges connecting us to the essence of humanity.